Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to solve question number 3 of the 047822 February-March 2023 past paper. The question is, describe the purpose of test data. Include an example of a type of test data in your answer. This question is not very tough, but we need to be very careful to get the maximum marks. It has 2 parts. Number 1, purpose of test data. Number 2, an example of one type of test data. This question has total 3 marks. As second part of question needs 1 example, so it will carry 1 mark at max, then rest of the 2 marks will be allocated to first part. It means that you will have to mention at least 2 purposes of test data to obtain the full marks of this part too. Let's write the answer. First, what is purpose of test data? Number 1. Check that the program works as expected. Number 2. Check for logic/runtime errors. Number 3. Check that the program rejects any invalid data that is input. Number 4. Check that the program only accepts reasonable data. As this part carries only 2 marks, so you can mention any 2 or all 4 to get the maximum 2 marks. For second part of question where we need to give an example of any one of the test data types, I recommend you to see my video on question 2 part A of past paper February-March 2024, 0478/22. Although there are different test data types, let's have an example of normal data. If testing an age input field with range of 18 to 65, entering 20, 30, or 50 would be normal data, and it will confirm that code is working correctly for normal test data. Great! We have completely answered the question to get maximum marks. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in next video. Have a nice day.